like a Valentine's at the King George V, a Mardi Gras in New Orleans, a shooting star on a moonlit beach, just you and me. And I could find myself down on one knee, laying my life at your feet, promising your heart to keep, just you and me. And it could be romantic, it could be romantic. You were sparkling like a diamond ring, made me feel like I could do anything if I could be the one to take you home. But when you're top down right up here, the look in your eye made it very clear that I'd be walking alone. And it could be romantic, it could be romantic, 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 romantic. It could be, it could be, it could be romantic. Like a Saturday night sold out show, you were the midnight afterglow. I watched them turn the city lights down low. And it could be romantic, it could be romantic.
I love the way you look in the morning. Sunlight hitting you just right. As day breaks and the clouds start forming, I know you and I will be alright. I hope time is on our side. I won't let the moment slip away. Oh, how I love this life. You are all I've ever needed. It's the little things you do that I don't know. Oh, the colors in you reflect in the room, bouncing off the walls with the sun shining through. Oh, you and I are more than enough. I hope time is on our side. Won't let a moment slip away. Oh, how I love this life. Oh, I hope time is on our side. Won't let a moment slip away. Oh, how I love this life.
Sometimes I say things I don't even mean, and is that wrong of me? I drive home in silence, criticizing every little thing. I always wanna be a better person, but it's hard crashing ceilings. I didn't know we're here, and it's a good feeling. Please don't cut my wings. Oh, if I'm not growing, does that mean I'm always a kid? I'm always a kid.